Hello, please welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews, and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you doing? Hope you all are doing good, and I hope you are doing great. So, lovely, as you've seen the title today, I'm talking about quick clear remover. Okay, quick clear facial cream. Okay, I'm going to talk about this face cream. I'm going to talk about hacks that you can do with this face cream. I'm going to talk about other stores that you can use this face cream for. You cannot use this for only your face. There are other stores that you can use it for. I'm going to talk about so many things, how you can actually make money from this face cream. You can actually make up to minimum 50,000 naira from this face cream by using it to do so many other stuff that most people don't know that this small thing right here is useful. If you want to know all that, please make sure you're subscribed to this channel. If you are not subscribed, subscription is free, doesn't cost. Okay, make sure you're subscribed, and let's go into the video. So love is going to talk about quick clear. So this is how quick clear looks like. I don't know. Okay, now that's how it looks like. Okay, it's usually a nice quick clear remover anti-facial face cream, egg, pimples, black spot, eczema, eye cream remover, age spot, stretch mark, sunburn, facial blemishes. And at the side it says, if there is no company seal on the label, do not use. There's no company seal on the label, do not use. Okay, and at the back it's just description of how to use their face in 7 days. If I do not talk loud, please just pardon my voice. I've been battling with fever for some days now, so I'm just trying to talk as loud as I can. Okay, for quickly is a face cream. Okay, it's a face cream that help you to treat pimples. You can premix quickly on your face cream to battle with stubborn pimples. Okay, you can premix quickly for your sunburn remover. You can use quickly on its own as a face cream, but when using quickly as a face cream on its own, it's not going to give you that excessive whitening. It's not going to give you that whitening that you really want. Okay, that super whitening. You cannot use only quickly on your face and expect it to give you a whitening result. Okay, no. But if you are open to use it like chocolate person, a light skinned person, yes, you can use quickly as your face cream and you will like it. But for this video, I'm going to talk about the basic things that you can use quickly for, and these things that are written right here. So when it comes to pimples, you can use quickly to treat pimples. Okay, quickly is one of the best thing aside from them. Okay, I'm not talking about family now. Family video will be for another video. Okay, for pimples, quickly is very good for treating pimples. For anti-spots, yes, quickly is good for anti-spot, but I've not used it on its own, but I promised it for anti-spot and it works very well for anti-spot. And eczema, I don't really know because I've not really had any clients that have eczema, so I can't tell. But I know that it helps with irritation. I know that it helps with yellow patches. For those that are suffering from yellow patches a lot, you can use quickly. But mind you, as you're using quickly to treat your yellow patches, you're not going to use any bleaching cream, any whitening cream whatsoever as you're treating your yellow patches with quickly. So you're just going to apply quickly on those affected areas. But if you want to mix quickly with anything as you're treating your yellow patches, if you want to use quickly to treat your yellow patches, you can actually mix it with coconut oil to fasten the results. Yes, you can mix quickly with coconut oil to treat yellow patches, like patches on the skin, patches on the leg, cream reaction, and the rest. You can use quickly to do that. Now it says eye cream remover. I don't understand this. That says eye cream remover. So since I don't understand, we're going to jump that part. Age spot, yes, it helps with age spot, and also quickly helped with what? Okay, there's a way you mix quickly and it will treat what? There's a way you mix it. But I'm not going to talk about that right here because that part is just my student and I'm not going to speed it here. But there's a way you mix quickly Okay, when it comes to treating warts, when it comes to treating warts, people have different ways to treat stubborn warts. Like for me, my own way of treating warts comes with a solution and a cream. The cream aspect, quickly is one, in fact, is the base for treating warts. The cream aspect, okay, quickly is the base for treating it, because quickly will not affect your skin, rather it will try to repair your skin. Okay, I must say that the people that really made this cream did a very nice job. Okay, they did a nice job when it comes to making this cream. They did a very, very good job. And as for stretch mark, I can't tell because I've not used this for stretch mark. So if you know you've used this for stretch mark and it worked, I'm not just talking about I tried it. I'm talking about you used it and it worked. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know that you used this and it worked for your stretch mark. I want to see your comment in the comment section if you used it and it worked. Okay. And it said skin burn. Yes, quickly help with skin burn. Okay. Quickly help a lot with skin burn. Let me tell you a story. I had a customer who is a fan of sheep creams, okay, sheep bleaching creams. And if you tell her to use sheep bleaching cream in the right way, there's a way to use sheep bleaching cream, okay, there's a way. I made a video about that like 1 week ago, maybe 3 to 4 days ago. So I'm going to leave a link on the description box. So I'm going to show you a safe way to use sheep creams, or a safe way to use bleaching cream. And that's my customer. If you tell her to use it in a safe way, she'll tell you, no, Ella, I'm not getting money to spend, so I'm just going to use it, the cream the way I like. So she used the bleaching cream the way she liked, and at first it was nice. You know how these bleaching creams are, right? Okay. At first it was nice, it was very good on her skin. She used this bleaching cream like that for the past 6 months, and she was loving it. And she was even telling those that are using expensive cream to go to the cheap cream that she's using. Okay, and most of them actually switched to the cream that she was using. And later, about 6-7 months, she started noticing some Coke and Fanta situation on her legs, her hands, and part of her neck. She was having this Coke and Fanta situation. The problem became so worse that she could not even open her leg. Like, her leg was so dark and horrible dark. So she came to me and she was complaining that the cream is fake. Nah, she have been using this for some time now. She have not been seeing anything like this. Why is it happening like this? I told her, ma, I told you before that when you are getting these creams, there's side effects. In fact, everything in life has side effects. So when you are using anything in life, remember that it's a side effect for what you are using. Okay. And so as she was complaining and all that, she was complaining so bitterly. I said, okay, ma, buy and quickly, just take quickly. She was like, what am I going to use that thing for? I was like, no, use it on your leg and get back to me. At first, she was angry that I'm giving her a facial cream to use on her leg. And she was like, I don't want to help her. I'm not being nice because I told her at first that I'm angry, so I'm showing her something that is not going to work. But I was like, ma, just take this in home, use it, and tell me the results. And so she got home, and in 5 days, not even up to 7 days, in 5 days, she came back to me and she was so happy. She was extraordinarily happy with the results she got. The leg that was so dark, having Coke and Fanta situation, was blend. Her neck is blend. Her hands were going back to normal. I mean, you need to see the results. I mean, this is what people will sell and make money. I mean, those that are into skincare, if you know you're into skincare, those that are selling on Instagram and all that, you are into skincare, you can actually give this to your customer, okay? You can give this to your client. You can repackage it to your client. I swear, trust me. When you give this to somebody that's having Coke and Fanta situation on their neck, trust me, in 1 week, let's say maximum 1 week, the person will come back to tell you thank you, okay? The person will come back to praise you. The person will come back like you'll be the person's God for that week. Okay, I mean, quickly is very, very good when it comes to getting rid of those Coke and Fanta legs. I know that some people even sell that recipe for like 15,000 naira. They'll tell you they sell it for 10,000, 15,000 to treat this kind of burn. Okay, you can use simple quickly to do that. You can use quickly to do that. And when it comes to facial blemishes, yes, quickly help with facial blemishes, quickly help with herbal pigmentation on your face, quickly help with sunburn. Okay, I'm not saying quickly is going to give you fast results when it comes to sunburn, no. But if you're very patient with it, no, at first you might go dark a little. Quickly will help you to sunburn, quickly help with facial blemishes. Okay, quickly will make your face uniform. Okay, if you know that your tabia is always having different colors, different segments, different sections, you can use quickly to fix that. If you're someone that sells and you want to give quickly to someone that's having hyperpigmentation, what you have to do is to give the person Vit Gold cleanser, that is cleanser slash toner. I'm not talking about it, I'm talking about Vit Gold here, okay? Just give the person Vit Gold. Is that you give the person Vit Gold cucumber or you give the person Vit Gold charcoal? Either Vit Gold cucumber or Vit Gold charcoal, just give it to the person and add quickly to it. If you're someone that is doing customized products, you can just turn your cleaner another cup and give the person the Vit Gold cleanser, either the cucumber or the charcoal. Okay, the charcoal, and trust me, the person's face will go back to normal in 1 week. Okay, the person's face will feel so good. The person will come back to you to tell you thank you. The person will feel so lovely. That's all for quick clear facial. That's all for clear remover. You can use it for pimples, you can use it for sunburn, you can use it for hyperpigmentation, you can use it on your legs, you can use it on your knee, you can use it any part of your body. It's not meant to use on only your face. You can use this for other parts of your body. I mean, quick clear is very good to use in other parts of your body. For those of you that watch today's part, you can use quick clear to treat a damaged skin. But mind you, quick clear is not something that is going to bleach you. Okay, it's not a bleaching facial cream. It's not something that will make you white, but yes, you can use this to correct some wrongs when it comes to a customer's or a client's face, knees, elbows, legs, especially the legs and hands. You can use quick clear to do that. And make sure you buy the original, because there are lots of fake quick clear out there in the market. Like some of you that will be buying this can testify, there are lots like so many fake of it in the market that sometimes we are even confused. That's why you have to buy for someone that is buying directly from a distributor. Okay, if you want to buy, make sure you're buying directly for someone that is buying from a distributor, and make sure it's original. Make sure they have the company seal. This is how the company seal. Let me bring it here. Okay, this is how the company seal looks like. There's a company seal there. Just make sure you get the one that has the company seal. And even nowadays in the market, some that are fake still have the company seal on them. So just have to be very careful when you are getting quick clear. And some of you that might ask how much is quick clear, it depends on. Okay, there was one time I traveled to Port Harcourt. I needed quick clear urgently because I have a customer there in Port Harcourt that I went to visit. I went to a supermarket and we saw quick clear for 1,200. I wanted to use quick clear because it was urgent and we had no other option than to buy quick clear for 1,200. But at some places you see quick clear for 600, some sell 800, just depending on the shop. But just make sure you are getting the original one. That's the most important thing, to get the original quick clear. So obviously that's the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye bye.